Blizzard is just starting. We've already got it caked up against our door. You can barely see. Wow, it's blowing hard now. It's our first blizzard.